About 20 years since we've seen a hurricane move into Hawaii. Here are the islands, and here's the first one, Azelle. The second one, Julio, on its heels. Now, this one's a little bit stronger, coming in as a strong Category 1 right now. Julio, though, is a weak Category 1. So let's track them out on Futurecast. Again, the islands here. This is where it's sitting right now, packing 90-mile-an-hour winds. Going to make pretty much a beeline right for the main island here. And as it approaches, it's still going to remain a Category 1, but it's going to be weakening as it approaches. So it'll be a weak Category 1 as it makes landfall, quickly turning down into a tropical storm as it passes through the Big Island. There is a hurricane warning in effect for the Big Island, tropical storm warnings in effect for the smaller islands. So there goes Azelle. Julio will be on its heels, but it's going to move more to the north, and it's going to be a weaker. It's going to already be a tropical storm as it approaches, and again, take a more northern trajectory. So we'll be seeing this in the coming days, and we'll definitely keep you posted. Here locally, we're going to be seeing fog tomorrow morning. Temperature is pretty mild in the low 60s for the most part. We will see clearing by noon. In fact, it's going to be kind of warm away from the coastline at noon. We're going to see some more low 90s out there tomorrow, 70s and 80s inside the bay, 60s at the coastline. So here's a look at Futurecast. We have low clouds at the coast into the East Bay, and you see a couple sprinkles popping up here along the San Mateo coastline. That's the drizzle from the fog. We're going to continue to see that into the 3, 4, and 5 o'clock hours, and then things will start to peel back to the coastline by about 10. Afternoon highs tomorrow in the 80s in the South Bay, 85 in Cupertino, 88 in Los Gatos, 88 also in Campbell and Almaden Valley. So a little warmer than today. A few more low 90s for our inland valleys tomorrow. We'll hit 90 in Concord and in Walnut Creek, 91 in Pleasanton, 94 in Antioch, 70s inside the Bay, but in the low 80s down toward Fremont and Union City. We'll be at 70 in San Francisco, 80s and low 90s for the North Bay. So tomorrow warmer, but then we'll cool down a little bit into Friday and the weekend. Temperatures staying actually pretty nice over the next 7 days, mainly in the 70s.